In this video, we are going to study how to find the present value of cash flows using the present value factor table. So, here there are certain cash flows for 3 years. In the first year, 1000 rupees are received, and the second year, another 1000 rupees received, and the third year, again 1000 rupees received. So, in total, 3000 rupees are received in 3 years. At the end of first year, 1000, at the end of second year, 1000, at the end of third year, another 1000. So, total 3000 rupees. Now, we are going to find out what is the present value of these cash flows when the amount is depreciating by 10%. That means the value of rupee is depreciating every year by 10%. Now let us find the value or the present value using the present value factor table. This is the present value factor table. Here, these row headings indicates the years. First year, second year, third year, fourth year, like that. And the column headings indicate the rate at which the rupee diminishes. Now, in this example, in the first year, 1000 rupees at 10% it is diminishing. So, first year, 10%. Here, first year is given in the first row. So, first row in the 10% column, the amount is 0.9091. Let us write that amount against it. 0.9091. Now, second year, 1000 rupees diminishing at 10%. So, second year, second row and 10% column, it is 0.8264. Write it there, 0.8264. Now, third year. So, third year is the third row and the 10% column, the value is 0.7513. So, write it against the third year, 0.7513. Now, each of these cash flows have to be multiplied with the corresponding present value factors. Thus, we get it as 1000 into 0.9091 will be 909.1. 1000 into 0.8264 is 826.4. 1000 into 0.7513 is 751.3. Now we have to add all this and we get 2486.8. That means even though we are getting 3000 rupees in all, the actual present value is only 2486.8. I shall explain it once again. The 1000 rupees received today is 1000 only. Its value is 1000 because it is received today. But this 1000 is received at the end of first year. It is not received today but after 1 year. Hence, its value is only 909 rupees. Although we are getting 1000 at the end of first year, its value is 909 rupees only because every year the value of rupee is depreciating or diminishing by 10% as per this example. Then at the end of second year again 1000 is received, but then the value of that 1000 is only 826 rupees. And at the end of third year, again 1000 is received. But after 3 years, the value of a rupee becomes 10% diminished. So 1000 becomes 751 only. That is why even though we are receiving 3000, the actual present value of it is 2486.8. This percentage may differ. In this example, we have taken 10%. Instead of that, it can be 4%, 5%, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 or any percentages. We can choose for diminishing the value of that rupee. It is not compulsory that the rupee diminishes by 10%. According to the situation in the economy, the diminishing rate may differ. So that is how we calculate the present value of cash flows using the present value factor table.